Okay, now let's learn CSS borders. In every website or any web page, we will use CSS borders all the time. This is the common style we apply for every element, okay, or most of the elements. So to apply border, we need to understand about four properties: border width, border style, border color, and rounded borders. So let's see that example. So here I have a project section. So here I have a project section. What I'll do first, I'll create a div block for this. So which is div, and here I'll paste this. And now I'll just format it. Okay. So inside this div, I'll name it as project. Okay. So if I want to apply classes for this, I'll say project underscore h2. I'll say class equal to project underscore h3, class equals to project underscore p. You can copy this and apply for all the paragraphs, and h3 I'll apply here. Okay, so now I have a project section. And for this project section, I just want to apply some border. So first of all, what is the block name? That is h2, project underscore h2. Sorry, the block name is project. Okay, and here I'll say my block, which is dot project height. I'll say 400 pixel again. Now first of all, when you apply the style for a border, I'll say border hyphen top hyphen style. So I'll say my border top should be solid. Go back here, refresh. Okay, so you can see here there is a block created, and I think some element is missing here. Okay, you did not close this here. Okay, it's already there now. All right, so I have the project block, and if I refresh, all my projects is there. So you can see there is a border applied for this block. Maybe if you apply the background color for this block, you can see that, right? So background color, I'll apply same alias blue. Okay, now you can see there is a background color, and you can see a border is applied. For a block element or for any element, you have four directions: top, bottom, left, right. So to apply for one side, you can mention by using border top style, or maybe if I say border bottom, and then I'll apply another property, another width, border width, I'll say 5 pixel. And maybe if you want a different border style, you can choose dotted or dash. Okay, now you can see for a project I have applied the bottom border. So likewise, you can also apply the color, border color red. Go back and refresh. You can see it's applied. If you want to apply, there is a shortcut. Okay, there is a shortcut to apply all these properties. So first you say border hyphen top hyphen style, and then say dash, sorry, first 5 pixel solid red. Now let me take this out, refresh. Now what I did, I have applied the styles for only one direction, one side, right, which is the bottom. If I want to apply for all the borders, you can take this line out. Just say border, which means when you say border, it applies for all four directions. You can see it is applying top, bottom, left, right. Also, when you use this border as a property, you can mention the width also here. So which is, I'll just comment this, 5 pixel dash, or you can say dotted. You can see the dotted and the width both are applied. If I increase this one like 10 pixel, you can see the border width is applying for all four sides. And also I can say, maybe I'll just keep it as solid for now. You can also apply the third property, which is width, solid style, and then color. So you can now comment this, which means that you need to understand this is just a shortcut to apply the width and the style and the color. You can use directly the border property. And if you want some rounded corners, you can apply border radius 5 pixel or maybe 10%. You can see the borders are getting some radius. Maybe I'll give just 5%, like this. Maybe give better in a pixel, 20 pixel. Mostly we will use this border radius for a buttons, okay, but since we are learning the border property, we are just applying this radius, okay. And one thing to remember, if you notice, I have given the height as 400 pixel for the project block. However, if you right click and inspect and just select the hover on that, and you can see there div.project 420, right, which means, or you can go here computed, your height of the block, which the project block, is 400, and it is also taking the top 10 border and bottom 10 pixels border for this particular block. So always remember, your border is part of your block, okay. Now let's understand CSS margin. CSS margin is used to place the elements at the right position. We can apply 4 margins, that is top, bottom, right, left. So what is a margin? I want to, if you